A special detail-up version of the Ausführung H, product number 6300, was released as product number CH6300SP in 2019 in collaboration with Griffin Models. It contained 4 additional large PE sheets, metal cleaning rods, and metal barrel. The Ausführung F2 or G, product number 6360, received the same treatment that same year as product number DR6360 SP. 4 additional large PE sheets, metal cleaning rods and barrel, and an extra decal sheet. Since 2021, beginning with product number 6764, Dragon's Panzer IV kits have seen a range of re-releases, all with metal barrels and metal schürzen where applicable. The Panzer IV was ostensibly the most produced and varied tank manufactured by the German army until 1945. Dragon's catalogs certainly indicates this. Not only is it the model with the most kits in the Dragon lineup, as far as I can tell, but it also has a wealth of variations. There's, for instance, the Flakpanzer IV in its Wirbelwind, Ostwind and Kugelblitz iterations. The last is emblematic for Dragon as well, since only 2 were confirmed to have ever been completed and entered combat in real life. But Dragon has issued 6 different kits, including 1 orange box version. If you want to build a Kugelblitz that somewhat resembles the photos of the real-life version, it should look something like this. The 1998 and 1999 releases had tracks on a sprue. All of the Kugelblitz have one-piece double gun barrels for the flak, and the 2017 release of 6889 had DS tracks. The 2 subsequent versions, with the same product number, had magic tracks. Dragon released 4 Ostwind kits, which is the single barrel flak. One of them, 6746, which you see in front of you, had DS tracks. 2 of them, 6746 again, in both the 2013 and 2022 releases, had Zimmerit, whereas the other 2 did not. The 2022 re-release of the Ostwind had pre-cut magic tracks instead of DS tracks. 4 Wirbelwind kits with 4 flak cannons were released, 2 of them with Zimmerit, and this is one of them, product number 6565. And this one, product number 6926, also has Zimmerit. Product number 6565, which is this one, had DS tracks, whereas the other 3 had pre-cut magic tracks.